any player can play. So you just go do it right. You say if I hear youth, or if you not believe
But
say I hear youth, DNA did if you do.
No, me can't.
Because sometimes we not take up till we not take up one enough to take up.
Hold on. Alright, sorry. Hush, papi, hush. What happened? Good.
Yeah, my good.
So me there take a walk. Go look for yourself, you alright?
Alright, but let's go and take it easy, you know?
Why? Me can ask you one question?
Yeah.
How you feel? For baby father in the round, for this decision where you choose. How you feel about yourself?
The favor you in the youth.
It's the same thing again.
No, listen, man. I'm telling you.
It's the same thing again.
I say, yo, do your test, blood test business.
Brother, man, I do not test that. You know, so man, like, man.
Myself, brother. You know, say yes.
Brother, me sure now. You see all the thing. Let me listen to you right now. I try me know say I'm wrong, brother. You know? Because I remember say when done say I'm a dog and I not look at family them, I look my family them need another.
Let me say something to you. Let me ask you something now. So like why you get yourself pregnant? The man have sex with you, right? And then in discharge now, you know what I talk about. And then you take out that now and put inside of you. So me know so that man have nothing to do with that pitney, no, kind of him pitney, no. Are you your pitney from any angle, no?
You remember one night when we carry out and you were so happy and you were so, how can I say now? You were not yourself because you say you're extremely, you know, in a different zone and so forth.
I think I remember.
About 4 Magnum you were drink the night.
And one Red Bull.
And 1 Red Bull, so you were fully charged, remember? When we go in and thing and so forth and I never use a protection, you know? I use a protection.
Why?
I say, you know, me were nice too, me fully charged up, me not go around anything.
But
you know?
you were in the right sense of mind.
No, I just, when me wake up, me I say, wait. And I check my pocket and I see my pocket still have a condom, I say, yo, wait. That no go on, I'm forget to tell you, but you move so fast. But everything good, man. You know, say if you, I would done plan, say one day, you know, that can go on in a but.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Yeah, me know you don't know me, but me know you.
You know me where you know me from me?
Don't worry about that. I have something to tell you. A man where you have, I don't fear him at all.
What you mean the man where I have no feeling at all? What you mean by that?
Again, more and tell us something again. More you feel see him and stay far from him.
Why?
Because I want him, I'm my man. If he never in the picture, we wouldn't fall out. Some would not like the relationship back.
At least I don't know you, I don't know your name. You were in the picture, your time expired. So it's my time now.
Wow. Me actually I smile. Me actually I blush, you know. The competition nice.
Brother,
Listen to me. You're going to do a DNA. Listen what me have to say. You talk as much. We are going to do a DNA test whether you like it or not.
I do not test, brother. I don't like injection. I don't like doctor injection. I don't depend on that,
We are just saying.
I don't like injection. You know what
You
I'm
know,
saying?
like, me no say that like, I know injection you get. I swipe them out, swipe them out.
No, but swipe from out. Come like you hear that.
Cross that line. A child can't keep a man from leaving. Love can't survive on